Okay, this. Take a good look at it. There's more than one way to do it. You have the VFX way and the PFX way. VFX means visual effects, by the way. PFX is practical effects. Now, visual effects is when it's not real. You do it via the computer or whatever software trickery you want to use, but on set, it's not real. Now, practical effects, I want to do it practically. Makeup and whatever else you want to apply to the whole scenery. Now, the both of them have them advantages and them disadvantages. Some of the reasons, let me try to state why you would do it visually is because, let's just say it's if you have a tight shooting schedule or a location where you want to jump in and out quick, then you might want to go visual effects. You just jump up, shoot, and then worry about it when you hide it. Practical effects now, let's say we do something like Anthropophagus, right? That's how we do this makeup effects for the first time in our film. Now, the reason why we choose to go practical is because we want it to have the characters to have the sense of immersiveness. That we want it to feel real to the characters. You ever watch like Wrong Turn and them type of movie, that's the feeling we want to give. That's when we realize even the color tone of the film have that washed out organic look to it. There's nothing pretty about it. So that's why we choose every style. We really think about it carefully. Now, I'm going to run through the step-by-step basics of how this is done. And then we talk to you at the end.
Basically, this is what I'm going to use to make the texture, the cut and stuff. When we see me while I'm doing it. So yeah, how we make this is by using Vaseline flour. You know, you have other methods like you can use tissue and them stuff there, but I don't really have the glue. I have the glue and the professional things to do that. Because we have one special glue we use to do that. So this is the food coloring. I'm going to use it as blood. Basically, blood is thicker, but I'm going to work my magic with this. I'm going to try use a concealer. You see it? I don't wear makeup. I'm not a fan of makeup, you know. So I don't have no makeup tools like that. Alright. Ready?
Yep. Again, they say never look into a woman's purse.
Then I will hold it straight and the rest is like, you know?
Protect it.
Yeah, it works. Now I say, I don't have the professional proof, but I work my magic say better. Work with my magic.
Mm-hmm.
Magic will work for me.
No skin protection.
So guys, I'm applying the face powder first so there's so it can be dry. Then I draw how big I want the cut to be. And then I apply a little bit more face powder. Then I take out the material I'm going to use to make the texture of the cut. And as you can see, that's what I'm doing there. So yeah, make it perfect. So it match up to your face. So add some black lipstick inside to make it look kind of black, darkish. Then apply the food coloring. It's not that thick, so may use the black to make it look kind of, you know.
Right ingredients to make the recipe. So
Find some more face powder to match up to your face. Then I apply a little bit of glue so it can help with the texture of the blood. So put it inside of the cut. So therefore, when it flow watery because the food coloring is watery. So we just put that inside. Then I apply look like the food coloring. So therefore, it flow like that, as I see. No man is in panic for it.
Let's see. So with a little bit of white, then we can see. I have no idea what's on the top here.
Better.
Okay. Signature. So look, under my eyes, you have a bit of black, red and blue.
I never do much with that. They still kind of difficult there.
But this is it. This is the texture. You can see the inside. You can see the black around the edging. Maybe if she did make it a little bit more fleshy, but that too gory for YouTube. So we have to keep it at that for now. So let me know what you think in the comments. What you give say a 1 out of 10 So give it a 1 out of 10 ratings. Let me know what you think. Alright, remove the distraction right now. We're going to look at it again.
I get it.
Alright, so close off now, guys. Hold on. I want this.
I don't matter.
I don't know how to take out 1 out of white, so I'm never good at that.
I want it there.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, thank you for making it to the very end of this breakdown of how I did this. Now, if you love this content, if you like this episode, I want you to subscribe and look out because there's many majority of a movie. I'm gonna just break them down on this channel, like how I do them. Like, believe me, it's gonna be a fun journey. Remember, subscribe and look for sooner, not future episodes. Alright, so guys, we have a problem. I don't know how to remove it, and Britannia is nowhere to be found. Now, however, it doesn't look too hard to remove. As I was saying in the video earlier, a stiff face will keep it on there, but I am moving my face and it's not going nowhere, so I know that is a problem, you know. So, see, I cut out the German accent, but it is not going away. So guys, let me know if you all have a method of removing these type of things. What a cut. This look damn real. Let me see. Click. You know, maybe take a picture with it and put it at the end of the video.